EA Sports welcomes you to another great NFL matchup. Well, the season has almost reached its conclusion, and many of the teams are playing for just pride alone, while others are looking forward to the playoffs. Today,
you have called head. Miami has won the toss and chooses to receive.
both teams eager to get today's action started, so let's go to the field. Janikowski in to kick this one off. He sends it off. Chambers will return this one. They'll start this drive from the 19-yard line. So they have 1st and 10 here. Looking for an opening through the middle. And he stopped at the 24. So that's a gain of about 5. 5 yards to go. Ball on their own 24. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. He's looking upfield. Spin move, and he stopped at the 23. He wasn't able to do anything with it there.
He was looking for a place to run, but all those places were filled up with guys waiting to tackle him.
About 6 to go. Looking downfield, passes left, and they're able to connect on that one. He zipped that ball to his receiver.
That quarterback is really special. Not only does he have the arm, but he can also guide it in there with some touch if he needs to.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 37. Looking for blockers. Grant makes the stop at the 39-yard line. Not much on that play.
Yeah, you talk about a defensive line winning the battle, and this is what you mean. The running back gets to the line, and there's nowhere to go after that.
2nd and 8 coming up here. Ball on their own 39. The backs are lined up in an I. They'll go with a pass. Throws it out over to the left. And the catch is made. The 20, the 10, and he's in for the touchdown. He flings it into the end zone for the touchdown.
The receiver had to make that catch. Heck, they hit him right between the numbers.
And it's up. And he tacks on the extra point. And so a big drive for this offense as they put together a nice string of plays that takes them down the better part of the field for the touchdown.
No matter what kind of field position you start with, as an offensive player, you got to be thinking touchdown. These guys kept their eye in the end zone, and that's exactly the kind of drive they were looking for.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Number 31 is looking for a nice return.
This is where you want to be able to respond. You also don't want to panic because it's only the 1st quarter.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 33. Quick drop. Surveying the field. Number 1 gives this one a ride off to the left side. He somehow got that pass off.
He saw the rush coming, and he tried to force it in there. Obviously, it didn't work.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on their own 33. Looking downfield. Rolling right, looking for an option. Throws over to his right. Knocked away. He really felt pressure there.
He really had to rush that throw. That was a situation where the defensive line made the job easy for the defensive backs.
3rd and 10 coming up. Nickelback in this time. He's going to throw. Gardner reaches the quarterback and hauls him down to the turf. to throw. Looking downfield. Throwing. Garner can't come up with it on that attempt. Oakland may have felt pressured by the fact they were trailing here in the first half.
And sometimes you get in a position where you want to gamble. When that gamble pays off, no one questions it. But when you turn the ball over, you have to answer it all week.
Mays comes in motion. And gets the toss. Looking for room to the outside. Woodson takes him down at the 19-yard line.
This kind of running game allows the offense to control the clock.
About a yard to go. Only one man back. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 21. Looks for a seam in the middle, but there's nothing there.
The defense had great penetration, and they were right there to cover their gap assignments.
3rd down and 4 coming up on this one. Ball on the 21-yard line. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Williams to carry it. He shakes the defender, and he's brought down at the 15. And that's a good gain up the middle for the first.
Well, that's my kind of football. The big guys up front, getting a hat on somebody, and making a hole to get a first down.
1st and 10. Ball on the 15-yard line. And we're ready to start the second quarter. They're inside the 15. Quick drop. Steps up into the pocket. Throws it. He finds his man. Chris Chambers catches another touchdown pass. His second now. The kick is up, and he tacks on the extra point. A good-looking drive, and they score the touchdown. The offensive unit should be very pleased with their performance on that one.
They did everything they had to on that one. The end result was a trip across the goal line and a TD on the board.
He gets the kick away. He fields it cleanly. The Raiders will start the drive from the 20. So they have 1st and 10 here. He's going to throw. He's looking. Going long. Great catch. Surtain records the tackle at the 24. Perfect spiral on that pass.
With an arm like that, there isn't a pass that he can't make.
Number 1 sets up. Quick drop. Looking for an option. Gets rid of it. And caught. Great effort there. Madison makes the play at the 2-yard line. The quarterback showed you his great arm on that pass.
Not only does this guy have a strong arm, but his quick release makes him very tough to sack.
1st down and goal to go. 2-minute warning coming up. Drops back. Looking for an option. So he puts his head down and punches it in for the score.
That guy got the few yards that he needed to get into the end zone.
Set.
And it's on its way, and he tacks on the extra point. And the coaching staff is happy after that drive. Touchdowns against this defense aren't easy to come by.
Big players make big plays, and that scores touchdowns. Give some credit to the linemen out there. They're the biggest guys on the field, and without them, no one gets into the end zone.
He kicks it off. There's a flag on the play. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 40. Almost at the 2-minute mark now. Man in motion. Perella records the tackle at the 48-yard line. 2 to go. Man in motion. Dropping back. Throws it out over to the left. He couldn't control it. Well, the quarterback did his part.
Maybe he heard footsteps. On a 3rd and short situation like this, the defense has to be ready for anything.
3rd and maybe 2. Ball on their own 48. The Dolphins use motion. Looking to turn it upfield. Loses 1 tackle. And he stopped at the 48-yard line. He went nowhere, John.
Went nowhere fast.
Number 31. Looks like he's ready for the return. Well, the offense is back on the field again. Their last drive, they moved the ball very well, especially through the air on their way to a touchdown.
I think the coach needs to look at how his team has done so far and decide if they can put a drive together with this much time left. If he doesn't think they can, or just doesn't want to risk anything, we'll probably see a few runs here.
Number 1 throws right. He hits his receiver. And he stopped at the 32. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 32-yard line. Garner, blown setback. They'll go with a pass. Rolling left. Throwing. Nice connection. And a great throw for the touchdown.
Yeah, he threw that where only the receiver could get it.
And with that score, the momentum has shifted. And it's up, and he tacks on the extra point.
He is good.
Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 84 and number 31 back to the seat.
He sends it off. Number 33 is on his way upfield. The defense did a great job on the last series, forcing the offense to go 3 and out.
The defense doesn't want to play too soft underneath, so this guy might throw to his back out in the flat. If they want to keep this thing going into halftime, they have to be aware of things like that.
1st and 10. The quarterback lines up with 2 backs behind him. Quick drop. Throws over to his right. He was able to avoid the sack, but couldn't find a way to get that pass to his receiver.
I'm not sure how they got through, but the defense really wanted the quarterback. The defense needs to force him to throw underneath by using different coverages so they can't get big chunks of yardage in 1 or 2 plays.
They'll go with a pass. Stepping up. Throws over to his right. He finds his man. Jay Fiedler got enough yardage on that pass to put him over 100. With time running out, they'll try to set their kicker up into position to put them out in front going into the locker room. So they have 1st and 10 here. The Dolphins line up with 3 wide receivers. Looking to throw. Throws it. It's broken up. Harris looks as if he got a hand on that pass.
And he did a nice job of catching up with that one and breaking it up.
If they're not satisfied going into halftime tied, I expect to see them throw on the upcoming 2nd down play. They're just about in field goal range. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Drops back. Gets rid of it. And he dropped it. He was under intense pressure.
Getting pressure on the quarterback is the easiest way to disrupt the pass rush. The defensive line should take full credit for that play.
3rd and long. Do they gamble here or just keep it on the ground?
With the score being as it is, it might just be better playing it safe. But that's the coach's decision, not ours.
He's going to throw. Surveying the field. Throws over to his right. Williams, the intended receiver. Romanowski got his hand up in time to tip it away.
He just stayed with the coverage, and he got his hand right in there.
As we near the end of the first half, the punt team comes in. Royals will do his best to get this one inside their 5. Number 31 will return this one. And we'll see if they can move the ball as well through the air this time as they did after scoring a touchdown on their last possession. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 19. Looking to pass. Surveying the field. Passes it. And the catch is made. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 44. He throws a perfect strike.
That was one heck of a throw. You can see him setting for the pass, then boom, it was gone.
1st and 10. Drops back. He surveys the field. And he's brought down at the 30-yard line. At halftime, Miami 14, Oakland 14.
Miami 14.
We'll go back to the play on the field. Marley will be kicking off.
Number 31 and number 42.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Number 31 will try to bring this one back. Just won't go down.
The penalty is declined.
It's 1st and 10. Four-man front this time. Looking to throw. Surveying the field. Throws it. Williams was the intended target on that pass attempt. He saw the coverage, but he thought his man had good position.
The quarterback was trying to be a little too fine on that one.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 43-yard line. He's looking to pass. Stepping up. Thomas knifes right in there and brings down the quarterback. They're just about in field goal range. Looking to pass. Passing to the short option. And this pass is completed. And he stopped at the 35. 9-yard gain.
On the play.
2 yards to go. He's going to throw. Looking downfield. Missed tackle. Still going. Bowens takes him down at the 17-yard line. Number 1 trying to create something on his own there.
And with some quarterbacks, you got to watch out that they don't take off on you. Everyone has to be aware.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 17-yard line. Looking downfield. Throwing. Hits his man with the pass. The quarterback showed you his great arm on that pass.
This guy can really move. He turns things up 2 or 3 notches when it really counts. That's the kind of thing you love to see as a coach. Guys who have that 2nd and 3rd gear.
1st down and goal to go. He's looking to pass. Rolls right, surveying the field. Throws over to his right, and it's complete. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
And so once again, a touchdown pass. The Raiders leading in the game, but not by much.
You better kick it here.
The kick is up, and he tacks on the extra point. And so the offense puts together a very nice touchdown drive. John, I think that drive is exactly what the offensive coordinator was looking for and hoping for.
I think the whole team's happy after that one. They're probably telling their defense to give them the ball back so they can go score again.
So they're now up by a touchdown. He gets the kick away. And it looks like there's a penalty on the play. The return team will head back to the sideline. Kicking the ball out of bounds like that gives the offense instant field position. When the kicker allows that to happen, it always confuses me. The Dolphins are in the offset I formation. He's looking to pass. Tosses it right. Chambers can't come up with it on that attempt. He's lucky that one wasn't picked off.
And it's almost better to take the sack there because you don't want that pass to get picked off.
Second and 10. Ball on their own 40. Man in motion. Dropping back. Tosses it right. He just can't find a way to bring that one in. So he can't bring it in.
I'm not sure why he dropped that one. The quarterback delivered it right to him.
Third and 10. Looking to pass. Surveying the field. Knocked away. The defender reached him just as he was throwing on that play.
Getting pressure on the quarterback is the easiest way to disrupt a pass play. The defensive line should take full credit for that play.
Royals is back to punt. Number 31 sets up, waiting for the punt. That one slips right through his hands. The Dolphins scoop up the live ball. It's first and 10. Ball on the 23-yard line. Using motion. Looking for an opening with the carry. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 20. That run didn't get them much.
Yeah, there was a defender in every gap ready to make the tackle on that play.
It's second down and 8 to go.
Box. Get into it. Single.
The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. On the run. Perella stops him for negative yardage. The offensive line didn't get much of a push on that play, and the runner is stuffed.
As soon as he got the ball, there was a defender in his face to knock him down.
It's third down and 10 to go. Ball on the 23-yard line. The Dolphins using motion. He's going to throw. Passes it. It's batted away. Heads up play there to knock it down.
Great position and great reaction made that play happen.
Mare will come in looking to try the field goal. And it's on its way. And that kick is right on target. And so John drive comes up a little shorter than they might have liked, but they still managed to come away with a field goal.
And give credit to the kicker there. It's nice to have a guy that can make your drive worth 3, even if you don't get it in the end zone every time.
He kicks it off. Kirby fields it cleanly, breaking free. They were very effective the last time they had the ball, picking up a lot of yardage through the air as they moved down the field for a touchdown. First and 10. Ball on their own 41. Dropping back. He's looking. Number 1 sends the pass away. The defender broke that play up. He makes a great play by breaking the pass.
One thing remains constant. No matter what kind of quarterback you are, rushing your throws is going to end up in incompletion or worse.
It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 41. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. He's looking to pass. Rolls right, surveying the field. Madison stopped him for his third tackle so far. He breaks this one for a gain.
You can run any defensive scheme you want, but I'll tell you this, it's hard to compensate for the quarterback that can scramble and make plays on the run.
So we've reached the end of the third quarter with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the Miami Dolphins, 21-17. The teams are set for the fourth quarter of play. About a yard to go. Looking to pass. Steps up into the pocket. Looking for a receiver. He shakes a defender. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 41. Number 1 did a great job of making something out of nothing on that play.
The quarterback felt some pressure coming from the outside. He decided to pull it down and run with it.
So we have 1st and 10 here. He's going to throw. Rolling right, throws over to his right. And he hits his target. Madison is in on the play again for another tick on the stat sheet. First and 10.
Switch.
2 minutes left. It's 1st and 10. Dropping back. Looking for a receiver. Gets his hand on it. The pass was bad.
An interception would have been nice, but a great play either way. They've almost got this game right, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeouts.
Garner, the lone back. Quick drop. Great job by the quarterback to get it in.
Guy showed a lot of guts on that play. Just got to make sure you don't take a big hit, especially on your right shoulder, that puts you out of the game.
Number 1, so he crosses the goal line to double his rushing touchdown total. Back to pass. Passing to his right. Hits the target with the pass. So they get the touchdown, and now the 2. Janikowski is just about ready to kick this one away.
And number 31 to receive.
He sends it off. The wedge is set up. Miami needs 2 scores to get back into this one. The defense is trying to force a turnover, which would put an end to this game right now. It's 1st and 10. Only one man in the backfield. Man in motion. They'll go with a pass. Passing right. He hits his receiver. Woodson records the stop at the 43. He really zipped that pass in there.
Hey, I think we need to get this guy's throws on a radar gun. That thing had a vapor trail.
Dropping back. Throws it out over to the left. James stopped him for his 3rd tackle so far. A powerful arm display on that pass.
Heck, that guy better count his fingers to make sure they're all there after catching that one.
So they're almost within their kicker's range. They'll go with a pass. Steps up with the pass. Picked off. It's intercepted. The 40. The 30.
They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeout.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 17-yard line.
This team has been unstoppable inside the red zone today.
Tosses it right. Picked off. He's not getting up. We'll take it down to the sideline to find out what happened as soon as we get the information. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 9.
Good. Watch the blocks.
Back to pass with the throw, and the catch is made. He never hesitated on that pass.
That was quite a throw. This guy's been blessed with a golden arm.
They need 7. Looking to pass. Passing to his right. And this pass is completed. Missed tackle. And he's tackled at the 33-yard line.
Miami, 2 timeouts remaining.
Any run plays in the playbook should be thrown out because they need points fast, and the only way they're going to get them is by throwing the ball.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 33.
Big play.
Man in motion. He's looking to pass. Goes to the middle. He really hammered him to force the incompletion.
That's one of those deals where you got it, then pow! You don't got it anymore.
They have to move him down quickly here on 2nd down. He's going to throw. Gets the pass off. He hits his receiver. Breaks the tackle. Woodson wraps him up and now has 4 tackles. The receiver found a hole in the secondary and the quarterback found him with the pass.
The defense can never let up out there. This guy can make some incredible catches.
Ball at about midfield. With 2 extra defensive backs, the defense is in the dime. Looking to throw. Steps up into the pocket. Gets the pass off. He's at the 40. And he's brought down at the 40-yard line. So we have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 40-yard line.
Big play.
5th play of this drive.
Okay, they got to keep throwing downfield to move the chain while keeping the clock movement to a minimum.
4-man front this time, using motion. Looking downfield. Passing right. Nice connection. And the defender brings him down at the 32-yard line. About 2 to go. Ball on the 32-yard line.
Timeout called by the offense. They have no timeouts remaining.
Within scoring distance. Man in motion. Looking to pass. Throws over to his right. And he hits his target. Jay Fiedler just gunned it in there for the score.
The defense has to do a better job of play recognition than that. Nothing makes you look worse than being caught out of position. And the other team taking advantage and going in for the score.
That's another touchdown pass, giving him 3 for the day. And it's up. The extra point attempt is good. The Dolphins are clearly not finished just yet.
This game is yet to be decided.
Mare trying for the onside kick. He'll try the onside kick. The returner fields it cleanly and is looking to give them good field position. The last drive ended with an interception. So let's see what happens as they take over again. With the defense not having all of its timeouts, they'll probably come out and take a knee here on 1st down. It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 45-yard line. Quick drop. Looking for an iron. Number 1 rolls left, and the quarterback is gone.
This thing is just about over.
Ball at about midfield. That'll wrap this one up, and the final score is Oakland 29, Miami 24. This concludes another EA Sports presentation. For John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying so long.